Hi guys. Just when you think you finally got figured out how to do something with whole numbers, they always seem to throw in fractions, don't they? So we're learning how to add and subtract negative numbers, whole numbers, and that's fine. But then they add fractions, and that totally messes everything up. So here we have a problem where it's um, 5/8. So the original problem is, let me get my pen out here. This is the original problem right here. 5/8 minus 1/4. So it's bad enough that there is negatives in there, but then they add fractions. So I'm going to show you a quick way to do this if you're not super comfortable with finding common denominators in that whole process. So I put a link into this page, and I'm going to take you to that page. And this is an online fraction calculator. So we're going to go into our problem. Let me go back here and pick out our problem. So it's 5/8 minus 1/4. So if you click on the link, you're going to have this thing here. And we're going to just clear this out. So this is really cool because you can put in a mixed number like 2.5, or you can put in just the fraction and leave this blank. So again, I already forgot the problem. 5/8 minus 1/4. So I'm going to go in here and I'm going to go 5/8 minus, there we go, 1/4. And I'm going to hit good. And the answer is, let me scroll back up. It's going to be 3/8. Here's the next cool thing. It also gives you the fraction. So a lot of the questions in the workbooks will ask for either a fraction or a decimal. Sorry, it gives you the decimal. So that helps you with that. Let's do one more problem in here, and we're going to use a mixed number, and we're going to mix it up a little bit. So I'm going to write a problem down, and we're going to say that it is 2 1/3 minus 6.5. Okay, so here we go. Ugh. Actually, I'm going to make this a -2 just to make it even more difficult. So let's just do this. Whoops, let me get rid of my pen here. Oh, shoot, I can't do that. Dang it. All right, let's do this. So I'm going to go 2. I'm going to make it a -2. I'm going to use that button just on my keyboard. -2 1/3. I'm going to minus the 6.5. Just type it in just like I've created it, equals, and here's my answer. Let me scroll back up, it automatically went. So my answer is -8 5/6. And it also gives me what that decimal is as well, if I was to convert that to a decimal. So that's a really easy way. If you are just completely overwhelmed with fractions, here's a calculator that will do it for you. Okay, and that's life, right? We all have calculators. So take advantage of that, and hopefully that gives you some relief.